Hi, in this video I will give you 3 reasons why I'm still using Power BI even after testing Metabase. If you are comparing tools right now, this might save you some headaches. Reason number 1, DAX. Power BI DAX language is just insanely powerful. If you are filtering context, complex measure, you can change the data format and you have so much option and so much things you can do with DAX language. Metabase is great for straightforward queries, but when you're rolling average or year-over-year growth, changing format of the data, DAX is the winner here. Reason number 2, integration. If you're already using Excel, Azure, SQL database, Power BI connects to it perfectly. You can connect your database in seconds, or even using the same in data flow across projects. Metabase connects to tons of data too, but it's hard to beat in the Microsoft ecosystem here. Reason number 3, visuals. Honestly, Power BI have so much option when it's about to create a nice visual for your report. But you need to bear in mind that you need to understand a little bit of graphic design to create a nice dashboard. But small details like tooltips, bookmark, it helps when it's about to create interactive report. Metabase is simple and faster for a quick dashboard, but less option when it's about to create a storytelling. So that's why I'm sticking with Power BI for now, but I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you are a Team Power BI, Metabase, Looker, or something else. Thanks for watching.